So what you can also do is you can generate cover letter by using Gemini. So to do that, you need to go around and simply say something like this. I am applying as a graphics designer in TutorTube Inc. right here. I have 5 years of experience, but I don't have a degree. Right here, just like this. Write a cover letter for me, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply writes out a cover letter, as you can see right here. So here it says, "Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my keen interest in graphic designer position at TutorTube Inc. as advertised on the job board with a proven track record of 5 years in the field. I'm confident in my ability to contribute significantly to your team's creative endeavors. While I may not possess a formal degree," and so forth. As you can see right here, this is what you have right here. So now you can go around and add in, let's say for example, you don't have this. So you can see name of hiring manager is Mr. Dane right here. And then I'm just going to go around and say Dane Potter right here, just like this. And then for the job post, I saw it on Facebook right here, let's say for example. And then you can see that this is what you have right here. So it says so if I were to go around and press enter right here now, then it simply goes around and change it out, as you can see right here. So I have honed my abilities right here. So let's say for example, I am good at Adobe Creative Suite, Corel Draw, Figma, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it goes around and adds that right there, as you can see right here. So mention project like branding, digital marketing, print materials. So I'm going to say UI, I know UI design, print design, and let's say for example branding, marketing material design, and so forth. So let's just go around and add that in as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and it simply fills out the content for me. And this is innovative visual storytelling, as you can see right here, and everything is here. So this is how you can go around and then simply generate out the cover letter as you like. And of course you can go around and export this onto Gmail as well, and even to Docs right here, according to how you want. So you want to, let's say for example, export it to Docs, then it creates out a document for you right here, just like this. So it's creating it out, and you can open it out and further edit out your content right here in Docs, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then work around and generate out cover letter by using Google Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.